Then you'll grab the legs. Grab your packet of hardware. Okay, you're going to have 4 bolts with a 7/8 head on it. You're going to want a lock washer next to the bolt head, then the flat washer next to the leg. On the inside, you're going to have a retainer clip that goes over the bolt, and the nut goes over the bolt, and the retainer clip will lock the nut into place. Okay, sit your legs upright. You're going to have 2 anchors on each side that you're going to put a 1-inch long 5/16 bolt in with a lock washer. Lock washer always goes next to the bolt head. Grab your ratchet, 1/2-inch socket, tighten them down. Next thing you're going to grab is your bottom brace. This also holds your pedal that activates the motor. You have 2 sets of slots in the top. You're going to go in the front side of the slot. And then move it all the way to the back of the front slot. There are 4 carriage bolts, washers, and nuts. Tighten them down. Next thing you're going to install is the rear brace. You're going to have 4 bolts, washers, and nuts. They go in the 2 diagonally spaced holes on the back of the legs. A carriage bolt will have a smooth top. Those go here. Regular bolts will have a hexagonal head.